Good evening from Ignite, the #1 coaching center in Kerala for NATA, JEE Architecture, NIFT, NID and UZ. Yesterday evening, JEE Architecture key with the response sheet is available from the official website, so the students can download it at the earliest, else the link will be deactivated soon. Hope our dear students have cross-checked your answers, and if you are having any challenge with the answers, you may raise the objection at the earliest. Ignite is also Ignite students can comment the challenging question and answers below the comment section of this video, so that our experts will cross check the answers and Ignite will bear the amount for the same. Okay, so if any of you haven't downloaded your response sheet and have not cross checked your answers, please do it at the earliest. Now coming to today's topic of discussion, these are the difference between percentile and percentage, previous analysis, expected cutoff. Okay, so just briefing about JEE normalization. Normalization is done to equalize the difficulty levels of the exam when it is conducted in multiple sessions. The highest score of each session will get the same percentile, that is 100. The percentile ranges between the top 100 to 0. The marks obtained in between the highest and lowest scores will also be converted to percentiles. So NTA, the National Testing Agency, will announce your result as a percentile mark. Okay. Coming to the previous year analysis, there isn't any specific criteria for the cutoff percentile because each year the scenario keeps on changing. Okay, so approximately every year 200k to 250k aspirants take PR paper every year. So we can discuss one of our previous student results to have you an idea about percentile. Okay, so last year one of our student had scored an overall percentile of 99.45, in which for each session, that is aptitude, she has got a 99 percentile and the mark was somewhere between 170 and 180 marks. And for mathematics, her percentile was 94 and the mark was between 15 to 20 marks. And about the drawing session, her percentile is 96 percentile and it was an average drawing. Okay, now she is studying in NIT Calicut. About the rank prediction and safe score, if you are scoring about a mark between 225 and 235, excluding drawing, okay, that is including maths and aptitude, okay, approximate rank would be around 10,000 to 15,000, and this means that anything above 265 is going to be a top score. You can score, if your score is 290 plus, you see yourself sitting in SPA Delhi. This is our students' performance on JEE Architecture 2019. That the result database updated till 4 in the evening of 14th January. Our toppers score came around 215 to 220 excluding drawing, and 6 students out of 150 JEE aspirant students scored more than 190. 24 students out of 50 JEE aspirants scored more than 175. We also noticed that evening shift students got more marks than morning shift. Hope it will be equalized in the percentile calculation. Coming to our own analysis, the aptitude was simple. Its level was simple and you can score easily between 170 to 185 marks with a percentile of 99. And the math session was slightly tough. You could have scored 20 to 30. And the drawing session is a difficult level and it's a simple drawing section. If you have drawn with proper understanding of scale and proportion perspective, you have scored better. Now coming to the final result of JEE, the result of JEE mean paper 2 will be declared by 31st January 2020. Candidates can important information regarding JEE mean paper 2 below. Okay. Now coming to the batches available or the crash batches at Ignite Thrissur for March-April season is given below. We are having a 5 crash batches starting from 16th March to May 5th. Timings and all detailed below. First 3 crash batches will be including both NATA and JEE. Okay, you can check the last rank details of top NITs and SBs. You can pause the video and check on the last rank details of top NITs and SBA. Thanks for watching.